So secret that the mere mention of his name is a federal offense.
Is he referring to Area 50?
Mr. President, say hello to Insectosaurus. Miss Ronson, please. Nuclear radiation turned him from a small grub into a 350-foot tall monster that attacked Tokyo. Here we have the missing link. A 20,000-year-old frozen fishman who was thawed out by scientists. He escaped, went on a rampage in his old watering hole. This handsome fellow is Dr. Cockroach, Ph.D., the most brilliant man in the world. He invented a scientific machine that would give humans the cockroach's ability to survive. Unfortunately, there was a side effect. Now, we call this thing Bob. Someone get her out of here! Thank you. A genetically altered tomato was combined with a chemically altered ranch-flavored dessert topping at a snack food plant. The resulting goop gained consciousness and became an indestructible gelatinous mass. And our latest addition, Ginormica.
General, continue.
Her entire body radiates with pure energy, giving her enormous strength and size. Sir, these monsters are our best and only chance to defeat that robot.
Don't we already have an alien problem, General? I don't think we need a monster problem, too.
You got a better idea, nerd.
Okay, stay where you are. General, I propose we go forward with your monsters versus aliens idea thingy.
Go fish. Do you have many threes? Yes, I do. How are you doing this? You're the luckiest guy I know. Luck ain't got nothing to do with it. What the? Hey! They called me crazy, but I'll show them. I'll show them all.
Doctor, I'd prefer you didn't do your mad scientist laugh while I'm hooked up to this machine.
You're right, Insecto. You've been letting that quack experiment on you for over a month.
I'm not a quack, I'm a mad scientist. There's a difference.
Guys, what choice do I have? If he can make me normal, or even 6'8", I can get out of here. Get back to the life I'm supposed to have. I mean, I should be in...
Let me guess, Fresno?
Well, Fresno's just a stepping stone. Next stop, Milwaukee. And then New York, and then someday, hopefully...
Yeah, we know. Paris.
Throw the switch, Doctor. But don't do the laugh.
Now, you're going to feel a slight pinch in the brain. Sorry.
Am I small again?
I'm afraid not, my dear. In fact, you may actually have grown a couple of feet.
It's okay, Doc. We'll try again tomorrow.
You really don't get it, do you? No monster has ever gotten out of here.
That's not true. The Invisible Man did.
No, he didn't. We just told you that so you wouldn't get upset.
He died of a heart attack 25 years ago.
No!
Yeah, in that very chair. He's still there. You see what I'm saying? Nobody's leaving. Nobody's ever getting out.
Good news, monsters! You're getting out!
Until today. So let me get this straight, Monger. You want us to fight an alien robot?
And in exchange, the President of these United States has authorized me to grant you your freedom.
Oh, I can't believe it. Soon I'll be back in Derek's arms. Or he'll be in mine.
I can't wait for spring break back at Cocoa Beach. Just freaking everybody out.
And I'll go back to my lab and finally finish my experiments.
No, that's me, Bob.
Then I'll be a really giant lady.
That's Susan.
Fine. Then I'll go back to Modesto and be with Derek.
Yeah, that's still Susan, Bob.
I think I at least deserve a chance to be with Derek.
All right, let's go.
Everybody move in an orderly fashion. This is an emergency. We are evacuating the city. Exact change is appreciated, but not necessary.
Let's move out!
This is San Francisco. This isn't far from my home.
Feel the wind on your antenna. Isn't this wonderful?
I haven't been outside in 50 years. It's amazing out here.
It's a little hotter than I remember. Has the Earth gotten warmer? That'd be great to know that. That'd be a very convenient truth.
Woo-wee! Now that's a robot!
It's huge.
Try not to damage it too much, monsters. I might want to bring it back to the farm.
No, wait. You didn't say anything about it being huge. Wait. No, don't leave.
I think he sees us. Hello! Hi! How you doing? Welcome! We are here to destroy you!
I can't find that thing. I can't even. I'm hyperventilating. Does anybody have a giant paper bag?
Relax. Old Link's got this under control.
Hide in the city, Susan. You'll be safe there. Oh, but stay away from the tenderloin. It's a little dicey.
Finally, some action. I'm gonna turn that oversized tin can into a really dented oversized tin can. Okay. Does anybody have a 20 on Insectosaurus?
Wow! Would you look at the size of that foot? I got him, you guys! I got him! Don't worry, I won't let go! I'm wearing him down! Please tell me he's slowing down!
Get to the city, Link. I'll catch up with you as soon as I can. Or maybe you'll have to catch up with me.